Okay. So what do we press here?
This one. Now it's us back to reference point.
Okay.
Good, okay. Okay. Now it will come. And here you see this x y z direction. Huh?
Okay.
Same
Axis.
one you can see here also. X axis.
X
X
axis.
minus here plus there. Okay,
Okay.
you know. X minus. Suppose you want to move this head left side,
Okay.
you want to use this one.
X minus.
Suppose this one I need right. X
Okay.
plus.
Okay.
Yeah, the symbols are there. Okay.
Okay.
And come here. Here.
Okay.
Here you can see
Y.
y
Okay.
plus minus. Same here you see.
Okay.
Plus minus. Suppose you need to go there, you can use plus.
Okay.
Same you want to move forward, forward
Okay.
y minus. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, and the speed of limit. Now this one, these two. For
Okay.
increases speed and decreases speed. You see this percentage 30,
Okay.
40.
Okay.
Now you see this movement speed will increase.
Okay.
Okay. Example now is 40. Now example it's 10. You see the speed.
Okay.
This one for increase the speed. You see the speed. And this z direction for height.
Okay.
See the movement.
Okay.
Z minus plus.
Okay. This and this for the speed.
Speed control.
This and
Speed
this for the
increase.
height.
Speed reduce.
Okay.
Okay.
This and this for
This
left and right.
x y z for three direction movement.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose it's enough. I want to move back. I want to go same place.
Okay.
Origin point. Okay. Shift plus x minus.
What plus?
Shift hold
Okay.
x minus will put. This one will ask back to reference point. Okay. It will come to origin.
Okay. Okay.
Now it's in. And this is normal keys.
Okay.
Okay, for movement. And suppose without install the install the material, we
Material.
have to run something because the the spinning tool. Actually this one minimum per day per week 1000 2000 want to spin, then only this motor will in a condition. Okay, otherwise it's make problem. For that one now no work we have. So but we have to run this motor. What we do is 5. This 5 na. Same button for channel.
Okay.
Okay. You understood this for setup na?
Okay.
This fully understood, right?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Then we are going to install one.